Install Jet Audio Basic. First, run installer. It will load then. Select I accept, then click next. Then click install. It will extract the file. Then click finish. How to install PDF Reader for Windows 7. Download, then click run. After that, it will load, retrieving install. Downloading, just wait for a few moments. After that, it will automatically install. And after installing, click finish. How to install Opera Browser. Run installer. Choose and click version. Click start. Then you're done. How to install Advanced Uninstaller Pro. Step 1. Open the folder containing the setup files in Advanced Installer Pro, which is named as Advanced Installer Pro.exe, or if your computer does not have it, you can download the latest version of Advanced Uninstaller Pro here. Step 2. Click Next to continue the setup or cancel if you do not want to install Advanced Uninstaller Pro. Step 3. A notification display with terms set out by the procedure. You must agree then to continue the setup. Select I accept the agreement to agree with these terms. Step 4. The procedure allows you to select the folder to archive the setup file or Advanced Installer Pro. You can change the path by clicking on Browse to select the folder or use the default folder in the drive. Step 5. Click on Create a desktop icon. If you want to place the icon of the utility on the desktop or simply place the icon on the taskbar by selecting Pin Advanced Installer Pro to taskbar. Select on the both options. Step 6. It takes just a few seconds to install Advanced Installer Pro. Step 7. A window notifies that Advanced Installer Pro is installed successfully, and you can use the utility immediately by selecting Launch Advanced Installer Pro. How to install WinZip. Using the mouse, double-click on My Computer and double-click on Folder 10. For this graphic below, you can see the downloaded file has 921 KB and it's called WinZip81.exe. See the below. Using the mouse, select or push the setup button. Select where on the hard drive you can want to install WinZip. WinZip offers some free upgrades when you purchase a registered copy of the software. Using the mouse, select or push the setup button. Take time to view the license agreement. Using the mouse, select or push the yes button. Message of text. Using the mouse, select or push the next button. Using the mouse, select or push the start with WinZip Classic Radio button. Using the mouse, select or push the next button. Using the mouse, select or push the finish button.